You're working on your executive project report, and you're racing to finish it. Jumping between scattered Google Sheets, hunting through endless doc updates, and somehow turning it all into a coherent presentation. With Office Timeline, you eliminate all this chaos by instantly transforming your Google Workspace data into clear, exec-ready timelines that tell the complete project story. Import your project plan directly from Google Sheets. In just a few clicks, you can turn project plan data into a professional, presentation-ready timeline in Office Timeline Online. Work together with your team in Google Docs. Insert timelines directly into your documents, gather feedback fast, align instantly, and make collaboration easy. Present easy-to-understand timelines in Google Slides. Whether it's a status update or an executive review, your visuals are always polished, current, and on-brand. Work smarter. Collaborate faster. Present with clarity, all from the Google Workspace tools your team already uses. Try the Office Timeline app today. Free on the Google Workspace Marketplace.